In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up a noisy recording and make your voice sound clearer using Canva's built-in tools. Start by opening Canva and heading into your project. If you're starting fresh, open the design where your video will live so you can see the canvas ready to go. This process works right inside the editor, so there's no need for extra plugins or complicated setups. Next, upload your video to Canva and drag it onto your design canvas. You can use common formats like MP4 or MOV. Give the upload a moment to finish before you drop it in, especially if the file is large. Once it's on the canvas, you can resize the clip to fill the frame if needed so you don't get any black bars around the edges. Now, click directly on the video to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around the clip and the toolbar appears. Selecting the clip is important because the audio options only show up when the video itself is active. Look for the volume or audio tools icon in the toolbar that appears, often along the bottom of the editor. Depending on your layout, it might appear at the top or in a side panel, but it will be labeled clearly. If you don't see audio controls, double-check that the video is selected and not the background or another element. Inside the audio controls, turn on the Enhance Voice switch. This is Canva's background noise reduction feature. It helps reduce hums, fans, traffic noise, and room hiss while bringing your speech forward so it's easier to understand. Think of it as a quick clean-up pass for your voice without leaving Canva. If you want to fine-tune the result, use the slider to adjust the level of enhancement. Start around the middle and make small moves. Higher settings can remove more noise but may make voices sound a little thin if pushed too far. Play your video and listen for clarity in your words and a natural tone. If your clip includes music or ambient sound you want to keep, try a lighter setting so the effect doesn't pull those sounds down too aggressively. That's it. Thanks for watching.